Are you ready to discover what NASA has in store for 2023? From the return of samples from the ancient asteroid Bennu to the groundbreaking lunar landings and the testing of revolutionary experimental aircraft, 2023 is a year of exciting discoveries and new possibilities. So strap on your spacesuit and prepare to embark on a journey beyond the stars. Hello explorers, I'm Mr.Thinker, and today I'll let you know about NASA's missions in 2023. OSIRIS-REx mission. In September 2016, the OSIRIS-REx mission took off. It left the asteroid Bennu in 2021, specimens of the asteroid are on board, and it is en route to bring them back to our planet in September 2023. Whenever the spacecraft is about 250 kilometers above Earth's surface, it will drop a specimen capsule that will drop exactly at the Utah Test and Training Range of the US Air Force. NASA says that asteroids like Bennu could be used as time capsules to learn more about the history of our planetary system when it was young. They keep chemical traces from when the universe was pretty young, and they may have specimens of the elements that make up life from long ago. The space program will send some of the specimens to researchers all over the world, but a big chunk of them will be kept so that people with much better technology later on can study it. Bennu actually broke off from a significantly bigger carbon-rich asteroid between 700 million and 2 billion years ago. It probably started in the main belt of asteroids between Mars and Jupiter and has moved closer to our planet. Because it's so old, it could have compounds comparable to those that helped start life on our planet. Lunar landings. The year before, one of NASA's most important missions was a test launch that sent the Orion spacecraft into the moon's orbit without a crew. The mission is one of the space agency's Artemis program, which intends to land American astronauts on the moon in the upcoming years. NASA has hired private firms to construct moon landers. They can carry tools and instruments that can be used to research circumstances on the moon's surface. This year, numerous landers are set to touch down on the moon. One, which NASA's partner Intuitive Machines made, is set to take off between the beginning and middle of 2023. IM-1 mission will land just on the near side of the moon in a place called Schroter's Valley. Another will launch before April. NASA's partner Astrobotic made it. The space agency said that when the Peregrine lunar lander should land in a region of the moon called Lacus Mortis, which is close to the moon's equator. The equipment will study numerous parts of the moon's atmosphere and the surface of the landers. They will also learn how radio signals work on the lunar surface and test innovations for landing and interaction. Experimental aircraft. In 2023, NASA also intends to test out 2 new planes. The name of the very first mission is Quest. It has something to do with a supersonic NASA research plane called the X-59. A thing is said to be supersonic if it moves more quickly than the speed of sound. The primary objective of Quest is to gather the information that may be used to modify the regulations that say you can't fly faster than sound over land. NASA says that the X-59 was made with technology that makes a sonic boom so quiet that it is impossible to hear on the ground. X-57 is the second experimental plane that NASA wants to fly in 2023. Electricity is used to power this plane. It was made to show that using only electric power could make flying calmer and better for the environment. Thank you for watching the video, and be sure to subscribe because more incredible content is on the way.